Hello and welcome to another series of News on Map. In today's episode, we will be covering topics which are important from geography perspective and for map exercise. So let's begin with the previous day practice question, which was Suez Canal connects which two water bodies, and the options were Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, Caspian Sea and Baltic Sea, Aegean Sea and Baltic Sea, and Red Sea and Caspian Sea. So let's see the map. So the location of Suez Canal is in the country Egypt, which lies in the African continent, and it connects two water bodies, which is Mediterranean Sea on the northern side and Red Sea on the southern side. So the answer would be Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. So the correct option would be option A, which is Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. So now let's begin with today's session, and the first question is, because recently the elections was held in country Turkey was in news. So let's see. Consider the following statements about Turkey. First statement says that Turkey is lying partially in Asia and partially in Europe. So let's see. Okay, this is the map of Turkey. So Turkey is few of those countries which shares its border with two continents. So on the northern side it shares its border with Europe, while on the southern side it shares its border with Asia. So the two continents are Europe and Asia. So statement 1 becomes correct, and the second statement says it is bounded on the north by Black Sea and on the southwest by Mediterranean Sea. So let's see this. So this is Turkey, and on the north we have the Black Sea, while on the southwest we have the Mediterranean Sea. So this statement also becomes correct. So statement 2 is also correct, and the third statement says that the Anatolian Plateau is located majorly in the western half of the country between the Pontic and the Taurus systems. So let's see this. This is the map of Turkey, and on the central and especially on the western side we will see that there is Anatolian Plateau, and Anatolian Plateau is lying between the Pontic mountains and the Taurus system. So this statement also becomes correct. So statement third is also correct, and what the question is asking is which of the statements given above are correct. So 3 of them are correct. So the correct answer would be option 3, which is 1, 2 and 3. Let's move to next question, and the reference was that a strong earthquake shook eastern Japan. So the country Japan was very much in news. So the question is, consider the following statements. First is, Japan is located in Eastern Asia in the North Pacific Ocean. So let's see the map. This is the map of Japan, and Japan lies in the Asian continent, and on the which side? It is the east side. So this is, if I'll go by map, this is north, south, east and west, and this is the side where the Japan lies in the Asian continent. So this is the location of Japan. It is lying in the North Pacific Ocean. Statement A becomes correct, and the second statement says that Mount Fuji at an elevation of 12,388 feet is Japan's highest mountain. So let's see this. This is the location of Mount Fuji in Japan's map. So Mount Fuji is, you can say that lies in around the central region of Japan and on the southern side. So southern and central region is the region where Mount Fuji is present in the Japan's map, and it is the longest peak or the highest peak of the Japan. So statement 2 is also correct, and the question is saying that which of the statements given above are not correct. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct. So the correct answer becomes option D, which is none of these. Now let's move to next question, and it says that the Russia-Ukraine war. So Russia-Ukraine war has very much been in news, and it has been going on since more than a year. So the question says which of the following strait separates Russia from Crimea. So Russia and Crimea always remains in news, and Russia has annexed Crimea, and this was the reason that Russia was even moved out of the G8 grouping, which then become the G7 grouping. And the options are Kerch Strait, Malacca Strait, Messina Strait and Cook Strait. So let's see the map. Okay, this is the map of Russia and Ukraine. So this is Russia, this is Ukraine, and on the southern side of Ukraine lies Crimea, and Crimea has been annexed by Russia. And the strait which separates Crimea and Russia, so strait is a water body which separates two nations. So the strait which separates Crimea and Russia is the Kerch Strait. Kerch Strait separates Crimea from Russia. So the answer would be option A, which is Kerch Strait. Moving on to the next question. PM Modi has recently visited Australia. So the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, was recently on a visit of 3 nations, and one of them was Australia. So the question says that Tasmania Sea lies Australia and Papua New Guinea, Australia and New Zealand, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea, or Australia and Indonesia. So between which two countries does Tasmania Sea lies? So if we will see the location of Australia and New Zealand are very much together, and there is not much difference between the two nations. So this is New Zealand. So between Australia and New Zealand lies the Tasman Sea. So the correct answer would be Australia and New Zealand. So the answer is option B, which is Australia and New Zealand. Moving on to the next question, it says that South Korea signed a 13.7 billion arms deal with Poland, and this was the reason that why South Korea was in news. So the question says that Jeju Island lies in the, and the Jeju Islands remains very much in news. Options are North Korea, South Korea, Japan or USA. Let's see the map. That South Korea lies in the Asian continent, and the capital of South Korea is Seoul, and on the northern side of South Korea is North Korea, and on the southern side of South Korea lies the Jeju Islands. So the correct answer is South Korea. So the option B becomes the correct answer, which is South Korea. Moving on to the next question is, at the United Nations Climate Summit in Egypt last year, Bahamian Prime Minister Philip Davis emerged as one of the most impassioned speakers among more than 100 heads of the state in attendance. So this is the reference of the news which we have taken, and the question from this says that the Strait of Florida connects Gulf of Mexico with the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean, or Red Sea and Aegean Sea. So what becomes important for you to know that Strait of Florida or Florida lies in which country? So if we will see the map, then Florida lies in United States of America. So Florida lies in the United States of America, and this is the location of Florida. So the Gulf of Florida lies below it, and the two connecting link between Gulf of Florida is Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. So Gulf of Florida is connecting Gulf of Mexico on one hand and the Atlantic Ocean on the other hand. So the correct answer would be Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean. So if we will see the options, then the correct option would be option A, which is Gulf of Mexico with the Atlantic Ocean. So what becomes important for you to know that the location of the cities or the states. So if you would know that where does Florida lie or Florida lie in which country, you would be able to answer this. Then next question is that Taiwan excluded from World Health Organization Annual Assembly following Chinese opposition, and that is why Taiwan was in news. So the question says that which channel separates Taiwan from Philippines? So this might look easy, but this is a difficult question to solve. because Taiwan and Philippines both lie in the Asian region, and the options are Formosa Strait, Bassi Channel, Palk Strait and Gibraltar Strait. So if we will look at the map, then this is the map of Taiwan. So on the northern side of Taiwan lies the Japan, then it also has China on one of its side, and on the southern side of Taiwan lies the Philippines. So the channel which is separating Taiwan from Philippines is the Bassi Channel, and it is the channel which lies between Taiwan and Philippines. So the correct answer would be option B, which is Bassi Channel. Moving on to the next question, and this question has been taken from UPSC 2023 prelims paper, which has recently been held, and people found it very difficult to mark the answers, and yes, the paper was difficult. And the question says, consider the following statements. First statement was, Amarkantak hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahyadri ranges. So first we have to see the location of Amarkantak hills. So this is the location of Amarkantak hills, which is lying on the border of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And the question says that Vindhya range and Sahyadri. So Vindhyan range is present in Madhya Pradesh, but Sahyadri range does not. So with this we know that Sahyadri range, it does not lie on the confluence of it. So statement 1 becomes wrong. Second statement says that Bilgiri Rangan hills constitutes the easternmost part of Satpura range. So first of all we need to know that where does Bilgiri Rangan range or Bilgiri Rangan hills lies. So if we will look at the map, then on the sides of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala lies the Bilgiri Rangan hills. So this says that this is the easternmost part of the Satpura ranges, while this says wrong because the Satpura ranges lies in the region of Madhya Pradesh. So this statement becomes wrong because Satpura ranges lies in the region of Madhya Pradesh, while we are talking about the Bilgiri Rangan hills, which is lying in the southern part of India. So this statement also becomes wrong. Then third statement says that Sheshachalam hills constitute the southernmost part of Western Ghat. So if you people know the location of Sheshachalam hills, then you will be able to solve this statement very easily. And this says that Sheshachalam hills lies in the Western Ghat. So if we will look at the location of Sheshachalam hills, okay, this is the location of Sheshachalam hills and it is lying in the Andhra Pradesh region, and this does not lie on the western side, it is lying on the eastern side, that is the Eastern Ghats. So the statement becomes wrong. So statement 3 is also wrong. It means all the 3 statements are wrong. And what the question is asking is, how many of the statements given above are correct? So the answer would be none of these. The correct answer or the correct option is option D, none of these. Moving on to the next question. This question is also taken from the UPSC 2023 prelims paper, which was recently held. So let's see the question. Which of the following is a part of the Congo Basin? So first we need to know that Congo Basin lies in which continent? So Congo Basin lies in the African continent, and the options are Cameroon, Nigeria, South Sudan or Uganda. So let's see which all are part of Congo Basin. So this is the map of Congo Basin which we have taken from the African continent, and the Congo Basin, the country which lies in the Congo Basin are Democratic Republic of Congo, then second is the Republic of the Congo, third is Gabon and fourth is Cameroon. So the correct answer is Cameroon. While we see, if we will see the location of Nigeria, then Nigeria is lying on the north of the Congo Basin. Then South Sudan is also lying on the north of the Congo Basin. Uganda is lying on the eastern side of the Congo Basin. So the correct answer becomes Cameroon because Nigeria, South Sudan and Uganda is lying out of the Congo basin, and the correct answer is Cameroon. So let's see. So Uganda gets eliminated, South Sudan gets eliminated, and Nigeria gets eliminated, and the correct answer is option A, which is Cameroon. Moving on to the next question, we have that a ship was blocked on the world's busiest waterway, that was the Suez Canal. And Suez Canal is one of those topics of geography which almost entirely throughout the year remains in news. So let's see about the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal separates Egypt from the Sinai Peninsula, Egypt from Israel, Israel from Sinai Peninsula, and Jordan from Israel. So while you will see this question, this looks easy, but when you will technically solve it, this becomes difficult to solve because this demands you to know exactly the location of Sinai Peninsula and Egypt and Suez Canal and all other countries also. So if we will look at the location of the Suez Canal, so this is the Suez Canal. So if we will see that Suez Canal lies in the country Egypt, and the two regions that it is separating also lies in the country Egypt. So this is also Egypt, and Sinai Peninsula also lies in Egypt. So Suez Canal is separating Sinai Peninsula from Egypt, and it is dividing Egypt between two regions of Sinai Peninsula and Egypt. So the country is one, that is Egypt, but the region are two different, that is Sinai Peninsula on the eastern side while Egypt on the western side. So the correct answer becomes option A, which is Egypt from the Sinai Peninsula. Now moving on to the practice question. Consider the following statements about Serbia. First statement says that Serbia is bordered by Montenegro, Croatia, Bosnia to the west and Kosovo to the south. And second is it is a landlocked country. And you people have to tell me the answer in the comment section that which of the given statements are not correct. And the options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So try to give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.